G'day folks, this is Corey. Hope you're doing well. So this video is called How to Use AI to Get Local Links. Now this is super relevant because, as people start to use ChatGPT and other things to search for answers to questions and businesses, etc., we need to think about how do we become prominent in those places as a business. Now, most of it hasn't really changed a hell of a lot. So what we know is that generally businesses that do well with their SEO, so search engine optimization, ChatGPT is a search engine as well. So what we know is that as people do well with their SEO, they're also doing well on ChatGPT, Gemini, Perplexity, all of the LLMs, AI, etc. So it makes sense that we still practice good SEO as the primary way to stand out online. So I'm going to run you through, for a business, Life's Next Stage as an example, using ChatGPT to get local links. Now, local links are really important because they serve two big purposes. Purpose number one is they send strong signals to Google, etc., about your business, what you do, where you are. So that's important. So we want to get found everywhere online. So these local links help with that. The second thing is quite often these local links are good opportunities to get straight leads for your business as well. So inquiries, customers, sales straight away. Now, I've kind of cheated. I've created a custom GPT for this purpose that we use. So we use this every month for every client. So we run every single client through this every month, and ChatGPT runs around the internet looking for opportunities for us, and we work through the list and see what we can achieve. We are happy to share that custom GPT with people to do it yourself. We believe in just sharing information, and if you need help, you can reach out to us. Life's Next Stage is pretty new, so these links are even more valuable than for most people, because when you're new, you need to dive in and do all the stuff. We've actually got an SEO one and done program that people can buy and pay us for. And this custom GPT is part of that package, but you can run it yourself. I'll show you how right now. It's really, really easy to run it. Then you've just got to go through the work to try and get those backlinks. And it gives you a really good variety of links that you can use. Some are a bit difficult to get, some are easy, some are free, some are paid. So we'll run you through that. So I'm going to switch over to ChatGPT. So when you look at our custom GPTs, and the link will be in the comments, the description for this video, so don't worry about that. It's called the Local Link Finder. Okay, so what you do is you go to Local Link Finder, and initially it'll say, just give us your URL and we'll do the rest. So the first phase, I designed this custom GPT myself because we realized that the local links are really important. We also realized that it's important to get the right ones, and it's important to make it easy to work through the list. So I did quite a bit of work to create this for our own team and for myself, and I've got it to the point where it's really, really bloody good. So it's yours now for free. And if you need help, just reach out. We can help you with that. So the first stage is you just put your website in there. So lifesnextstage.co.nz goes in. And the first step is it'll give you a summary that you do need to read through, because you just want to make sure that that ChatGPT is reading your page and business and has it all on point. Because if that's not clear at this point, when you read the stuff, if that's not on point or not clear, then you've got other problems to solve in terms of the clarity around your business, what you do, where you are, what's on your website, what's online, etc. So hopefully this is on point. If you read through this Life's Next Stage that Deanna runs, you'll see that it's all on point. It's in Tauranga, it's supporting older adults, downsizing, decluttering, property preparation, all the right stuff. Here's a summary of what they do, where they source that information from, location, blah, blah, blah. So that's all on point. Then it'll say, this bit here, would you like a local backlink opportunities list for Life's Next Stage, e.g. directories, retirement community partners, local organizations within 50 kilometers? We put that into the code for the 50 kilometer reason, because we found that that's kind of for most businesses that we've served, that's about the sweet spot. Once those links are further than that, they're less effective. And within that, they'll also help things like your Google Business Profile as well. So there's lots of reasons why the closer the better. So you just say yes at that point. Okay, so ChatGPT said, would you like that? And I said yes. So then it's giving you the list. Okay, so Chat has leaned into seniors, housing transitions, property community. This will be vastly different based on your business. The code is written to account for that. Okay, so don't worry, you're not going to get this list, you're going to get your list. And hopefully, if you've been following my stuff for some time, you might have some of the links that pop up for your business already. If you don't, that's cool. It actually gives you here, I'll just show you at the bottom, there's a little bar you can slide across, but it'll give you, let's just get that to there. If you look at the top one there, Tauranga Chamber of Commerce, it gives you the URL, what type of link it is, where, distance from where the business is, why it's good, and the best angle. Okay. Now, Chamber of Commerce links are useful for both of the reasons we mentioned. They're good for Google, etc. They do help you get leads as well, but they're not cheap. Sometimes they're $1,000, and that can be too much for some people. It depends on where you are. The rest of these, just work through them. And in fact, Deanna has attained some of these already. So one of the ones that came up with is ElderNet. Deanna's on there. She's done a good job at reaching out to some of these people already. But essentially, you just copy this whole thing and work through the list. Okay, some are hard. Bay of Plenty Times, that's the newspaper here. They're not just going to say, hey, yeah, we'd love to give you a free piece of media. But if you come with an interesting angle or an article or a human interest piece, you might be able to get a media mention, maybe not a backlink, but the media mention is also incredibly valuable for search these days anyway. It's just worthwhile. And just work through the list. And look, if you got half of these done in a month and then reran the prompt next month, it'll give you different things. You'd be going really, really well. Because we know that for local links, especially when you're starting, 3 or 4 good, relevant local links can be all you need to outrank everybody. Because most markets, most niches, most areas, most of your competitors are simply not doing this stuff. They're only ranking number 1 because they've simply been there longer than you. That is the entire explanation. People contact me and they ask for this detailed explainer, and I say it's not that difficult. They've just been there for longer. We can beat these guys so easily, it's not funny. So run your business through this custom GPT. It's called the Local Link Finder. It's free. Copy this whole thing or just leave it open. Actually, I forgot to show you this bit down here. The top 10 immediate actions, fast wins. So it'll actually prioritize them for you. So you might just want to use this or hand this off to somebody in your business. We have a client at the moment with a marketing intern. Hello, here's your next day of work or 2 days of work, whatever. You might have a VA that you can hand this off to because it's pretty clear and easy what you need to do. So that's pretty much the video. We recommend that you do this often, every month. You really can't lose because every time you get a good local link, you're just putting yourself in front of another set of eyeballs, another signal to Google, another signal to ChatGPT or Gemini or whatever. It all adds up, and it's a non-stop game. You just keep going. Sometimes you might get to the point where you're ranked number 1 and you're getting found on Chat and also Google, and you decide to switch and do way more work on social media. That's cool. That's up to you. And if you want some advice around what you should be prioritizing, just comment below and we'll help you with that. But that's the run through. You'll also see over here a whole bunch of other custom GPTs we've built that are all really useful. The 2 newest ones down here, PostSpark is an absolute cracker, and the one we created just this week we'll talk about in the next few days, which is an AI visibility checker, which is bonkers. So enjoy that content, comment below, share the video, all that good stuff. We'll talk soon. Bye for now.